What if I told you your glow up doesn't need money, products, or filters? No expensive skincare, no salon, no makeup transformation. Just discipline, consistency, and things already around you. Rule number 1, the clean base rule. Most people skip this. First rule of glowing skin: you can't glow on a dirty base. Start by washing your face with plain water or a gentle face wash. No scrubbing hard, no overdoing it. Just cleanse away oil, dirt, and stress from your skin. This is not just skincare, it's a reset button for your face. Clean base is equal to first glow step. Step 2, steam your face. Next, steam your face for 3 to 5 minutes. This helps soften dirt and oil trapped inside the pores. Keep a comfortable distance from the hot water. Moving on to step 3, time to clear up acne and dark spots. With this ultimate deep cleansing mask, grab your bowl and mix 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 2 teaspoons of flour, and 2 teaspoons of honey. Whip it up until it's perfectly smooth, apply it all over, and let it sit for 15 minutes. This combo actively targets breakouts, fades dark spot, and deeply hydrates to brighten up your complexion. It works perfectly to soothe rough texture, even out your skin tone, and instantly calm down any redness. Wash it off and you're done. Your skin is left looking incredibly glowy, plump, and deeply refreshed. Step 5, Aloe Vera Gel. Now apply a thin layer of pure aloe vera gel to your face. Aloe vera helps calm, soothe, and deeply hydrate the skin. Using gentle circular motions, massage it evenly into your skin until absorbed. Leave it on to nourish and refresh your complexion. Step 5, ice hack. Now for the cooling refresh. Take an ice cube and wrap it in a clean, soft cloth. Gently glide it over your face for about 1 minute. This soothing step helps reduce puffiness, tighten the skin, and leave your face feeling fresh and revitalized. Step 7, moisturizer. Now it's time to seal in all that hydration. Take a small amount of moisturizer and gently apply it to your face and neck. This final step helps keep your skin hydrated, soft, smooth, and healthy looking throughout the day. Use gentle upward motions to evenly spread the product across your skin. With regular use, your skin will feel more nourished and comfortable every day. Step 8, sunscreen. And if you're heading outdoors, don't skip sunscreen. Apply a broad spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. It helps protect your skin from harmful UV rays, prevents sun damage, and keeps your skincare results looking their best. Step 9, hydration. Beautiful skin isn't just about what you apply. It's also about how you care for your body from within.
To a glass.
Make sure to drink enough water
Throughout the day to stay hydrated.
When your body is hydrated, your skin looks fresher, healthier, and more radiant. And that's the complete glow up routine. Simple steps, no expensive treatments. Just consistency and proper care. Because the real secret to glowing skin isn't money. It's the habit you apply every day. That enough for today. Make sure to like AMD, subscribe.